Collectability and restoration. Oval window Beetles, built between 1953 and 1957, are highly coveted by collectors from all over the globe. Most knowledgeable enthusiasts consider oval windows, especially those equipped with the huge sliding canvas sunroof, commonly called ragtop, to be the most desirable Beetles ever built. 57 Beetles were a significant evolution of the original design. It featured a larger engine, improved suspension, and a more comfortable interior. This made it even more popular with drivers and cemented its place as an automotive icon. Impact on the automotive industry. The 1957 Volkswagen Beetle was more than just a car, it was a revolution in the automotive industry. In 1949, the VW Beetle was first imported to the United States, where it quickly gained popularity for its unique design, affordable price, and reliable performance. The VW Beetle was one of the first cars to be mass-produced, making it accessible to millions of people. Its popularity spread around the world. It had a significant impact on the automobile industry, challenging the traditional ideas of what a car should look and feel like. Suspension and steering systems. The 1957 Volkswagen Beetle was designed to offer a smooth and comfortable ride, despite its compact size and lightweight body. One of the key features that made this possible was its innovative suspension and steering system. The VW Beetle featured a unique suspension system that used torsion bars instead of traditional leaf springs. This design provided a smoother and more stable ride, even on bumpy roads. And, with its precise and responsive steering, the VW Beetle was a car that was easy to control and maneuver, especially in tight spaces. The steering system on the 1957 VW Beetle was designed to be light and precise, making it a joy to drive.